Welcome back to Core English. In this lesson, we'll practice more real English words using the short vowel sounds. You'll blend sounds to read words, slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's start with a quick review. These are the short vowel sounds we've been using. Say each sound after me. A, E, I, O, A. Now let's build many new words using each short vowel. Here are words with A, like in cat. Repeat after me. Man. Hat. Sad. Now let's try words with E, like in bed. Red. Leg. Met. Words with I, like in sit. Pin. Big. Lid. Words with O, like in dog. Hot. Pop. Rod. Words with U, like in sun. Bus. Mud. Fun. Now you try. I'll say the sounds. You blend them into a word. Say each one. D. A. D. That's dad. S. E. T. That's set. W. I. That's win. G. That's hug. You've now practiced almost 20 real words using short vowels. Each word followed the same pattern. One short vowel sound in the middle. We are building real English, one sound at a time. Don't forget to download and do your practice sheet at coreenglish.org. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.